am super excited to show you guys how to do this Chevron nail art. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. You will need this white polish and this blue polish. As you can see, I went ahead and painted my toenails with this pretty blue polish. Okay, now for the fun part. I'm going to start doing the chevron, and it's pretty much just zigzag lines, and you will do that all the way down the nail. Follow me on Instagram at Awesome Nails. Check out the cards at the top of the video and the end screens at the end of the video for more. This is what they look like when they're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.